Okay, Jonathan Williams back again at the Bricks and Mortar podcast. I've been asked over I don't know how many weeks to put together a top 10 of buy to let, and that's what I'm going to do in this series of videos. We're going to talk buy to let. We're going to tell you a little bit more about that. So let's run through what the first top 10 in the buy to let is, and it's tax. Buy to let, they've taken an absolute shoeing as far as the tax is concerned, okay? So first of all, you've got your 3% tax. That's your surcharge. That's over and above any tax that you have to pay on the LBTT. So you're going to end up having to pay 3% on the purchase price of the property that you buy. You have to factor that in. It is absolutely vital in your calculations. So that's your 3% surcharge. You're then looking at your 145% stress tests. The lenders are going to give you an amount of money, and that amount of money is going to be dependent upon how much rental income you can get from your tenants. And it's now worked out over, rather than 125%, it's 145%. What does that mean? That means that you are going to have to push the rents up in order to get the money that you want to get from the lenders. 145%. And finally, we've got the tax implications, the income tax implications that have been brought in and will be brought in the next 3 years. And what that means is that you are now going to get taxed on profit, and you're not going to be able to deduct the interest that you pay to your lenders. 3 massive changes as far as the tax is concerned. You need, if you don't understand those, you need to speak to your accountant. He'll be able to sort it out for you. Jonathan Williams, Bricks and Mortar Podcast.